Good morning. Time for another vlog. Look where I am. I'm over at Wat Tyler Country Park again. Because I wanted to get, well, maybe eyes in a bittern again. The sun, it's just got 9 o'clock. So I managed to get a little bit of early access to the hide. Yeah, that's what I'm hoping for, to see the bittern again. So no one's seen it since I saw it a few weeks ago. As you can see, the sun is just coming up through, just burning the clouds off. So it's lovely light at the minute. So yeah, wish me luck. Wat Tyler can be good for Marsh Harriers this time of year as well. So I'm hoping to get eyes on the Marsh Harrier. Last time I was here, I think I had quite a few sightings as well, so. And a couple of flybys of hide, which was nice. So you can look at that in a previous vlog I done at Wat Tyler. It's just started raining, but it's and the sun's trying to burn through those clouds. There's quite a lot of teal coming in as well, actually. Yeah, look at that though. It is nice. I do like it over here, Wat Tyler. Wish it is time of year. Just hope we get a bit of Marsh Harrier action. Talking about Marsh Harrier, just over the back there. Right, let's try and get some footage. I've just got eyes on a female bearded tit. I didn't manage to get any shots. It was only briefly, but I could hear it pinging away. So I got eyes on it briefly, and I think, yeah, it was definitely a female. I haven't seen the Marsh Harrier since the last time I saw it. But it's still early, so still got plenty of time. There's a couple of Canada geese coming in over me. Yeah, I just got a lovely blue tit shot on this little tree here. That was nice. So yeah. So I just dropped my other half off at the hospital this morning. She's got to have a little operation. So they're going to give me a half hour. They're going to give me a ring at half hour before I can go pick her up. But I'm not sure how long that's going to be, so could be all day, could be a few hours, maybe a couple of hours, but no, I don't think it'll be a couple of hours because she's got to go. They've got to put her out. They've got to put her out for the little operation she's got to have. So I could be here till 12. I could be here till 1. Who knows what we see. Oh, and a grey heron as well. There was a grey heron down there earlier. It took off. Obviously, I couldn't see it because it was down in front of the reeds there. But yeah, there's a robin. Hang on. Let's get some shots of this robin. Ah, damn it. Ah, he just took off. Really nice light as well. This is what actually is a pair of robins. Yeah, they're doing a lot of chasing. Oh, look at that. Do like a robin. Yeah. Nice light as well. Look at this light now. This is why I like it over Wat Tyler. Look at that. Oh, I've got my phone plugged in to my battery pack. Look at that, look. Don't get any better than that, does it? Look. Look at that light. Cracking light. This is really what a Marsh Harrier now, coming in now. Any of you on TikTok, drop me a follow under the same name. I'll follow you back. I've got loads of wildlife videos on there and short vlogs that I've done. It's just a bit of fun. But, yeah, if you're not on TikTok, then you're not on TikTok. But I've got quite a lot of followers on there now. Well over 1,000. So yeah, drop me a follow on TikTok if you don't mind. Actually, I might do a live for 2 minutes in a minute. Actually, well, it's a bit quiet. And you can get paid for doing live videos as well on TikTok. I mean, I've only made about a tenner so far, but a tenner's a tenner, isn't it? So, yeah. Check me out on TikTok. Right, I've got a Marsh Harrier. I've got a couple of shots. It's just dropped down in front of that reed bed there. I haven't seen him come back up again yet. No bittern yet, but you know, got a 50-50 chance of seeing one, so yeah. So Marsh Harrier dropped down, like I said there, about 5 minutes ago. I haven't seen it since. So I don't know if it's on prey down there or it's just resting up or something. I'm not sure. I mean, it might have taken off while I wasn't looking to it. Yeah, it's still nice light. It's cold. The top half's alright. It's my legs. I get really cold legs. I've got like 2 layers of trousers on. Thermals and a pair of trousers. My legs are still cold. But yeah, I've got to hang it out until my other arse ready to be picked up, so I've just done a bit of a TikTok live for 2 minutes, so as well. Yeah, loads of blue tits this side. Sparrows, got some shots of sparrows, blue tit, robin, which was nice. I've had fieldfare over that side. Heard them calling earlier. Yeah, it's alright. I like it over here. We got a lot of people come. I haven't seen much over here. Don't go to Wat Tyler very often, but I like it over here anyway, personally. So you don't get many people coming to hide, so you get to hide to yourself more or less. Unless I report something, like I did the other week at Bittern, and a few people turned up. It's nice to bump into old faces I haven't seen for a while. So yeah, crow, shut up, crow. Anyway, I'm going to keep at it. See you in a minute. I'll see you soon. Right, just managed to get eyes on 2 Marsh Harriers. I was filming at the time. I managed to get 2 in frame, but only for about 3 or 4 seconds. A little bit of other footage as well, but not very long. So, but I'll put those clips together and I'll show you. I'll put those up after this little bit. And they keep dropping down there. If there's something down there they're after, or maybe a dead bird down there or something they're after, I don't know. But yeah, they keep dropping down there every now and again. Filmed some long-tailed tits actually, long-tailed tits in the reed bed as well. I'm not sure what they're feeding on. I've never seen long-tailed tits in that sort of habitat before. Maybe they're after the tiny seeds, what the billy tits feed on as well, I suppose. Yeah, I managed to get not very long footage, but a few seconds footage, because it's just hard trying to keep up with them while filming. Some lovely blue tits just came in on this side, and lovely light. Oh yeah, got a few images so far, so yeah, so far so good. this light. Hang on, look at this light now, look, it's lovely. I'm just going through the images that I've taken. I've got some lovely images of some blue tits in nice light. I've noticed they've got little rings on their legs. So I'm trying to get in the eye. I don't think people realise you have to go and get the key from the visitor centre. So yeah, if you're a member of the RSPB, you go to the visitor centre, show them your membership card, and beady tit. Yeah, go to the visitor centre with your RSPB membership card. She takes a photograph of it, gives you the key. If you're a non-member, I think it's about £20 deposit, which is refundable for a key. Yeah, that's the second lot of people that try to get in the hide. But there's no signs on the door saying that you've got to do that, so obviously some people don't know, unless you're sort of a regular over here like I am. Yeah, there you go. So yeah, if someone knocks on the door and they ask to come in, if I know who it is, then I'll let them in. Especially if it's someone like one of my birding friends. But yeah, I'm not going to let them in. I'm not greedy. I don't like having the hide to myself. Yeah. So there's a bit of cloud, but it's still nice light. So I haven't seen the Marsh Harriers since the last time, but I'm sure it'll be back. Wind's getting up a little bit, but yeah, it's alright, not too bad. Well, it's gone a bit quiet now, and it's a bit more cloud cover. I haven't seen the sun come out for about an hour, so I'll give it a bit longer and get back in the car, get warmed up, because my legs are freezing. It was good while it lasted anyway, that sun. As you can see, it's grey. There's a lot more cloud cover now, so yeah, I'll give it a bit longer and then call it a day. So I haven't seen any bird life for about 45 minutes. It's gone really quiet. I saw a kestrel earlier, only a quick flyby. Yeah, apart from that, it's been alright up until about this point. I've had a couple of more Marsh Harrier flybys, but quite a way off, so yeah. So I'll give it a bit longer. Actually, the sun is trying to come out a little bit, I suppose. But yeah. Anyway, see you in a bit. I'm still here, and it's like getting off 2 o'clock now, so I'm going to start packing up soon. Just got eyes on a male, what was it? Oh, bloody hell, it's gone. Oh, I need to see rebunting. It wasn't rebunting. Beardy tit. Beardy's rigged in. Yeah, it was just down there. I was watching the top of the reed move like this. Dave, if any of you go fishing and you got a quiver tip, when you get a bite, it does this, and that's what the top of the reed was doing. It's moving through the reed bed. I knew it was something down there, and then I got eyes on the male, only briefly, but I did try to get some shots, but I couldn't. So there's a grit tray down there, but there's no grit in it. It's empty. Yeah, that could do with topping up with grit. I'll take the key back. I might say to the lady if he, so he can try and get some grit put in that grit tray. So yeah, I'm going to give it another 10 minutes. I'm going to pack up. I said that an hour ago, didn't I? Oh, it's my legs, they're bloody freezing. Oh, I've got a Marsh Harrier. He's a female. Managed to get a few shots off. So yeah, I'll put those up in the gallery for you to look at later. So the light, when the sun comes out, it's alright, but it's only coming out for a few minutes at a time. And all this area gets highlighted, which looks quite nice, but it doesn't last long. So there's a lot of cloud cover, but is what it is, isn't it? Is what it is. Right. I haven't got eyes on the bittern today, so it doesn't mean to say it's not here. But they like quite shallow water, so they can fish. But normally around the margins of the marsh, and sort of open areas of the marsh where they come out. But yeah, they do like shallow water. A bit like grey herons, they're about the same I suppose. I like to fish in shallow water. Just heard that beady tit again. Let's just bring you over a second. Yeah, just heard it down there somewhere. Right, decided to call it a day now. It's 2 o'clock, so it's getting off 2 o'clock. So yeah, I've got a little bit of footage to go through, not much, and a few photos, a few stills. And I'll put those up in the gallery for you to look at. So yeah, from Wat Tyler Country Park, stay safe, stay sane, keep enjoying the wonders of nature where you are. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.